Hi guys, and welcome to episode 5 of the shed build series. In this video we're going to be installing some soffit and fascia. I'm going to install the trim on all 4 corners of the shed. I'm going to build the shed door and also install the window. That's probably as far as we'll get today. But yeah, it'll be good. Let's get started. We got all the soffits tacked up there. So we painted the fascia boards. We got them cut to size and took them in the garage and painted them there because it was just a little too cold outside. Hopefully it'll be warm enough tomorrow. We can bring those and get those put on as well. So I purchased these trim boards from the Home Depot. They are 1x4s and they're primed, which is nice. And they have some texture on them they kind of match the texture on the siding a little bit. Anyway, it makes it nice to not have to worry about priming them. So I'm putting these up on each of the corners of the siding to have a nice trim there and cover up the gaps. I'm using a finish nailer and just small brad nails because I didn't want the heads to show, and I think these will probably hold it okay. Cross fingers. So we cut and painted the fascia boards in the garage because it was too cold to do it outside. So now we're putting those up, and hopefully they'll be good. They're going to need another coat of paint, but I think they'll be good enough to make it through the winter. So here we're working on making the door. So basically I took the piece of siding that we cut out from the door opening, and hopefully that will fit perfect for the door once we get it framed in. Basically just used 2x4s for the framing on the door. So there's probably an easier way to do this, but I was screwing the screws in from the outside into the inside frame. Seems to be the best way to go about it. Then I'm hoping the trim on the outside will cover up these screw heads once we put those on. So here, just measuring for where to put the trim boards on the outside of the door. We have 1x4 boards that we cut down. I think they're down to about 3.5 or something like that. Then we'll use the finish nailer to attach these. So we got the door hung. Looks pretty good, I think. We got the hinges on. Still need to get a latch for it, but overall I think it's going to be good. It fits well and it does its job. So here I'm putting on the flex tape, I think it's called, for the window, to seal around the window. It's kind of a tar-based type tape, and it's supposed to seal really good. So this is the window we ordered. We got this from Amazon. Seemed like a really good deal. It looks pretty nice actually for what we paid for it. So I'm going to put a bead of caulk around this before we install it. Hopefully it'll be good, sealed up nice. And this is really the last thing we need to do before we quit for the winter. I'm afraid the weather is just getting too cold. I'm not going to be able to do any painting or anything to finish it up until next spring. Anyway, I think that's a wrap for this video. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next episode where we'll be doing caulking and finish painting on the whole shed. So thanks again.